Hello and welcome back to episode 6 of Moving Out Diaries. A lot of things happened during these days, and I thought I'll just sit down and do a story time with you. So, on 3rd June, I was supposed to get keys for my apartment. I confirmed it with my broker 2 times, and then after my office, I came to the apartment. And guess what? There are still tenants living here. There's some of their stuffs are packed and they're ready to leave, but the broker, same broker, yeah, he has messed up their life also. So now they cannot shift. And that day, I waited here for 40 minutes. The broker did not pick up my call, he did not come here, nothing, just ghosting pro max. I left. Then third night, that tenant, that girl who was staying here, she calls me and she said, I don't have anywhere else to go, my agreement is not getting done, so can I just stay until the weekend? And she was like, please don't tell the owner. Sorry, that's not possible, I cannot shift it till the weekend, I can maximum give you 1 day, that's it, because I will have to move, there's no other option, I also don't have anywhere else to stay. From 3rd June, there is no contact between me and my broker. Finally, 4th June, I am trying again after my office. I came here. By the time the girl has left, all of the stuff is gone. So the flat needs cleaning, and I talked to the owner about it. She was like, yeah, I'll deal with it. So Thursday and Friday, I took work from home, and my only motive was to fix the house. 10 a.m., the cleaning people will come. This is what he told me. I am coming around 10:30. Nobody is here. Then I'm calling him, he did not pick up. Somehow or the other, I found that guy who was supposed to come around 10. And he started complaining about my broker to me. He was like, this is why nobody takes up his job here. He does not pay people. He does not do anything. He does not pick up the call. So after all this, Thursday, I went back to my hotel. My parents came on Thursday. So I was staying with them. Finally, everything was set up. Now I am in my flat. That's episode 6 of Moving Out Diaries for you. Stay tuned for the next episode because that will be very, very pretty and very aesthetic. Bye.